Namaskaram friends. Today we are going to talk about Rahu Ketu transit, which is going to happen in the month of September 2020. First of all, I would like to give you some generic details about Rahu and Ketu and the transit. Rahu and Ketu are Molficious planets and they are snake planets, as we all know. And these people will not move in forward direction. So as per Vedic astrology, rest of the other 7 planets will be moving in clockwise direction. But however, Rahu and Ketu will be moving in the anti-clockwise direction. And this transit happens every 1.5 years once. So now September 2020, this transit is going to happen, and in this audio and the coming audios, we are going to see Rasi by Rasi what are the pros and cons that Rahu and Ketu is going to bring for every Rasi individually. And per Vedic astrology, and I follow South Indian method, for that we use 2 Panjangas. One is Vakya Panjanga, another one is Tirukanida Panjanga. Per Vakya Panjanga, the Rahu Ketu transit is happening on September 1st, 2020, and per Tirukanida Panjanga, this transit is happening on September 23rd, 2020. And Rahu and Ketu, as I told you, they are going to move in reverse direction. So right now the Rahu's position is in Gemini Rasi, which is the 3rd Rasi on the Rasi chart. And he is going to move backwards to Taurus Rasi. That is the place 2nd. So he is going to move from 3rd place to 2nd place. Same way, he is going to, since Rahu is in 3rd to 2nd place, obviously his actions will be followed by Ketu. So Ketu is already in Sagittarius Rasi and he will be moving to Scorpio Rasi. That is from place 9 to place 8. So this is the position they are going to take on September 2020, and we are going to see the pros and cons for all the Rasis one by one. Let us see the prediction now. We are going to see about Capricorn's Rasi people. Rahu Ketu transit for these Rasis is going to be really good. Why? Because Rahu is going to come in the 5th position and Ketu is in the 11th position. These are considered to be very, very, very auspicious and super successful positions for both Rahu and Ketu. Hence, these people are going to produce very good results for the native. So whatever troubles or whatever hindrance or mental tension they had in their life, they are going to really get rid of all those troubles and hindrances during this 1.5 years. And this 1.5 years is going to be a blessing and tremendous gain. It's going to give the native tremendous gain during this time. Great profits. People who want to start their own business, they can definitely start, because 11th position Ketu is going to give them great success in their business, and it will also produce unexpected luck and unexpected money. And whoever is in the job, they are also going to get rid of all the hindrances and the troubles whatever they had in their professional lives also is going to vanish because of 5th house Rahu and 11th house Ketu, because they are going to give the spirit to fight against the enemy and come in successful and colorful mode. These natives are going to even help others during this period, because 11th house Ketu is going to give that mentality where the native will be really loving to help others. Especially these people will be more into temple, renovating temple or renovating any kind of auspicious place, or they will be helping the temple or needies or any kind of dana dharma, they will be able to involve themselves. They will be able to involve themselves wholeheartedly, and they will start doing all the rituals that is needed to develop the temple near them, or develop or help the people around the temple as well. So now, in the other hand, 5th house Rahu and 11th house Ketu is also going to help the natives to get their ancestors' property, or even they are going to achieve, or whatever property they want to sell, or whatever property was in dispute, they are going to win everything, and this is the right time all the property issue will get resolved. And whatever they think, whatever they wished for is going to be very successful during this period. People who don't have children or planning for children, this is the right time. And people who want to get married also, this is the fruitful and excellent time for them. Students who are studying, who want to go to abroad and study, even they can actually be wonderful and achieve all their success in during this time. And even if they want to reapply for any scores, because these Makara Rasi or Capricorn Rasi people are very special about what they score in exams. So there are people who want to reapply for correction, the marks correction. They can also try that, because whatever they think it was less, or they were being marked less in any subject, that revaluation will be really successful during this time, and all good things is going to happen to them. Anything that, any expense that going to happen, or any kind of situation that is going to arise in their life, it's all going to end in auspicious expense and auspicious situation. So whatever they touch, whatever they are going to see, or whatever they are going to feel around is going to be really auspicious, really happy, and they are going to live a wonderful life during this 1.5 period. And these people have to really make use of this 1.5 period and form their foundation for rest of their life, because 5th house Rahu and 11th house Ketu is going to be very rare, and this period is going to be really remarkable. And when these natives look back their life after few years, when they want to look back, this is the period that is going to be or work as a turning point in your life. So you need to ensure you make use of this time to the fullest, and please keep praying your Kuladeva and your love God, whoever God you love most, please keep them in prayers and feel and think only positive things, and definitely you're going to achieve success during this time. So with this note, I'm going to end this audio. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up and even share your comments and subscribe as well. And if you need any personal prediction or any kind of horoscope analysis, you can always contact me. My details are in the description box and in this video as well. So this is Minnie signing off. You people take care. Bye-bye.